Welcome to Baghdad. No, we are in Angered in Sweden, and today we're going to explore this neighborhood that have a little bit of a bad reputation around Sweden and in general Gothenburg. So let's go and see what Angered have to offer me. I'm going to the gym actually here in Angered first, and later in the video we will go on a carnival. Yeah, it's a carnival, supposed to be a carnival later. Yes. So here is Angered. You have the tram station. Here you have the fruits, small fruit market. Nice. So here you can buy cheap fruits, watermelon, tomatoes. Yeah. Look very nice here actually. And here you have a fika place. Maybe go to the fika place after the workout to get more energy, so we can vlog more of today. But here is the Nordic wellness. I will go into the Nordic wellness. I will not film there because I'm not allowed to film in that public area. So hit the gym now, and I may take a photo or something. So join me into Nordic. Yeah, I have been walking around a little bit at Angered city, and I don't really have the feeling of filming anything more here. The gym session was very good, but I think now we will try to walk to Hammarkullen. This is like 25 minutes from here. You can also take a tram, but now I'm feeling about walking to Hammarkullen. It's quite good weather, and I think Hammarkullen will be more exciting than Angered actually. So let's go to Hammarkullen. So I find an Asian store here. So I bought some matcha bites. I think will be very good, and some mango passion fruit drink. And this is Saigon Gross. Saigon is a very big Asian store here. I think it's in Angered. Yeah, between Angered and Hammarkullen. We are going to Hammarkullen now. So, but I will try this one. See what we. Oops. Cheers. Yeah, really good. Yes, so we're going to try this one now. Yes. So here we have it. It was very small. The package. Matcha. Yeah, it was a good cookie. Welcome to Hammarkullen. Here is all the people. So I ordered one Colombiana. arepa. So. Yes, so I ordered one arepa. It's traditional Colombian food. And you know me, I love Colombia and Latin America. So, see here, it'll be very hard filming and eating. It's like a carnival here. Yes, so I just finished up my Colombian food. So now I will show you what else you can eat here. So. Hello, hello. So there's so many people here, so but the mostly is around the food, and here you can buy some clothes and everything else, some candy, popcorn. So it's called Hammarkullen Carnivalen, I think.
Jag ska gå och hämta högtalarna. Välkommen! Imorgon här.
Yes, that was Hammarkullen. It was more lively here than in Biskopsgården, Bergsjön, and yeah. So it was a special day today. I don't think that is that lively when you're here a normal Sunday. Maybe, but it was a very fun surprise. So, carnival feeling. Maybe I will do a carnival in the future. I want to go to Rio de Janeiro, but now I will go home to my apartment that is another part of Gothenburg. Yay! I am back in the city of Gothenburg. So I will end the vlog here. So thank you for tagging along for this small adventure in some part of Gothenburg I have never been before. So yeah, so it's a Saturday in the end of May. So yeah, it was a good day. Big surprise at Hammarkullen, but now we are going back. No, we are not going back to Hammarkullen anytime soon. We are going to somewhere else in the next vlog. That will be very interesting. So see you next time somewhere in Gothenburg, Sweden. Ciao, ciao!